Hi, and welcome back to my mess. I got my S&W roll cage. Here's the main hoop and the other bars. And so, my messy garage. So, measured from door sill to door sill, and it was 54 inches. So, half of 54 is 25. Half of 4 is 2, so 27 inches will make the center of the inside here. And then we measured from bar to bar, and it was 49 and a half. So what we did is we split 49 24 and a half, and measured from the center to here, and that should put us pretty close to spot on. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes and get that all straightened out. Later on I'll finish cleaning here and primer. But that's where I'm at. So keep watching. This is only the first of the series. Thanks. Okay, we just set the back brace in place and measured it from the ground up, and it's about 6 inches. And if we go in here, and it comes around somewhere in this area here, this is about 1 inch of room. So 6 inches plus 1 is 7, and what we did is measured back 7 inches, and that's about where the hole's gonna go. Okay, more later. Alright, just when you think it's gonna be easy, it's not. There's an inner structure, and what's happening is, come over here, I can't hardly see it, but what happens is it's bottoming out on here and won't let the hole saw go all the way through the body. So what I did is I got a cut-off wheel. I'm going to go in here and cut down some so we can get more access to that. Just thought I'd show you because it's kind of important. Okay, continuation of the main hoop install. Finally got the holes drilled through the floorboard. It was quite the job. A lot of inner structure had to all get cut out of there, and right now it's just kind of setting in there, and I'll show you why. Hold on. Okay, another update. We got the bar in there. What I did is I put plates down on the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and tack weld them to the chassis and weld them around the bar for extra support. It's pretty tight, pretty stiff right now, so, but I just want to add some extra support. Okay, we're going to continue on. I got this set up. It's a little bit too tall. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off the bottom to lower it down a little bit. Bit of a gap there, but I'll fix that. But it's a lot of work, that's for sure. I think I want to take and finish cleaning this up and put some paint down first before I finish welding it to the other pieces. But just give you an idea what it looks like. Alright, stay tuned for the next part. Just another update. I'm trying to line up the top bar. I need to pull this down and notch it a little more so it'll go up a little bit. And I made these things here to hold the front up so it's level. It's just tubing. I took and I cut the tubing and notched it and stuck it on the C-clamp here to hold it up, because I can't hold it up and do welding obviously. And I allowed the bar to come forward some so that I can put the seat back closer to the bar and for the belts, for the seat belt harness. So that's pretty much where I'm at right now. As soon as I make that a little better there, I'll go ahead and weld it up. Okay, hang in there. Your phone comes in handy. You can download what's called Angle Meter, and you can check your angles. So when you're going to go ahead and put this piece in there, when you put it in there, you can check and make sure that it's flat and not up or down. So that's a pretty cool device. It's called Angle Meter. You can get it on your phone and you can use it. Alright, onward. Okay, I'm using a different camera. Made another plate for down there. I haven't gotten this bar in a position yet, but I got that tacked in and it's staying up there, so this is next on my agenda. Continuation. I also, hold on here, made that. Bar's gonna go through there and I'm gonna weld around the outside and tack it in at the bottom. And I made those for the frame mount. They're just tacked in there for now because I want to make sure that they fit. So there's a little practice next. Alright, I'm using a different camera, so hopefully this comes out okay. Okay, so I just mocked up that bar there and try to see where the steering shaft will go. I got the support here that's going to attach to there for the steering. So just a little bit more progress. Stay tuned. I got a little ways to go.